What were your thoughts when you first heard Donald Trump talk about a white genocide?
I was laughing it off. I heard it that Monday morning because he made the pronouncement on a Sunday evening on that side. And the next morning, which was the Monday, I heard this and I said to myself, this is crazy. It can't be true. It must be fake. You know, how ridiculous is it to even mention something like that in South Africa?
But he was being fed that information by
Exactly.
South Africans.
Exactly. He was fed that information either by South Africans or Americans who were here and heard it from South Africans on the ground. And my impression is that that was very much part of his set of information. People who came here, maybe as tourists, maybe as game hunters, and they had opportunities to exchange with people on the ground, Afrikaans people on the ground, who created this noise, this story, which is not even a story because it's just fake.